Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this Bright Wish Christmas tree lights. We have here 10 meter and 100 light emitted diodes in a fairy lights for outdoor and indoor use. We have here a nice string light for the garden, for the party decoration, or for Christmas decoration, of course, as well. We have here for the nice brightness levels, and of course we have 8 lighting modes. We can create a vibrant atmosphere with these dynamic modes. Perfect for setting the mood at the parties, festivals, or an elegant wall and a garden decoration. And with a smart timer and a memory function, we can enjoy a effortless operation within an automatic timer function. 6 hours on, 18 hours off. That's good for energy saving. The memory function conveniently recalls our last used color or mode settings after the power off. And we have super IP66 waterproof level. It's built to endure harsh weather. These outdoor string lights offers a complete protection against heavy rain and snow. We can decorate our garden or our Christmas displays with confidence, knowing these lights are designed for permanent outdoor use. And we have remote control and dimming function. We take full command from anywhere with the included remote. We can easily switch between the brightness level and of course the modes, while our dimming levels allows us to perfect the brightness for any ambience, and versatile for indoor and for outdoor. This multi-scene solution here uses these plug-in lights as a dazzling Christmas tree lights. We've wrapped them on garlands, we create window displays, or we enhance our camping experience with vibrant lights. That's cool, huh? We have multifunctional device. It's weatherproof and safe to touch and highly flexible. We can switch between 8 lighting modes. For example, steady on, in wave, chasing flash, or fade, slow glow, sequential, twinkle flash, or of course in combination. And this is possible to choose directly with the button on the remote 1 up to 8. Or you can also use the push button on the AC adapter for that. We have a timer function and a memory function. We have an IP66 waterproof, weather resistant and safe to touch, and a lot of brightness level available. 10 meter, 100 LED. Each LED is 2.4 centimeter to 0.5 centimeter. And every LED is 10 centimeter range. We have 10 meter that are 393.7 inches, which is the right dimension for a small decoration like a Christmas tree, or for small decorations indoor and outdoor. This brings us the Bright Wish Christmas tree lights, which is 10 meter in range and comes with 100 light emitted diodes, and it's also available in RGB plug-in fairy lights for outdoor, for weatherproof, and of course for indoor use. We have here a nice string light for the garden, for the party, for the decoration. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!